Hello, guys.
Uh, Goober, I'm gonna do a page in the wiki for you. Or try to.
Why do I keep
So,
getting cake? Who the fuck is giving me cake? Oh wait, can check logs. Let's go.
yo, it's going up.
It's doing
It's
Slava
going.
Squaria!
8, 7,
6, 5, 4, 3,
3,
2,
2,
1.
1.
Yo,
Yo!
the rocket is going.
Yo!
Nice.
Holy boy.
Looks sick.
Yo, this is cinema, bro. Change your camera. No, voy to change. Suona de camera. Global shake. Okay, it's going up.
Why is
Why?
it tilted?
Why do you go in space without a customer? Means come on.
Bro, why you ask why we park, bro?
Okay, you. You, what was that? Nothing. Right.
Guys. Now stage separation. 3, 2, 1, and
Bro, no.
it's on now.
Yay, the stars.
Okay. We need to pass the. It's very far from the ground now. The next stage separation is close.
No, you didn't. Did you actually? Wait. Alright, wait.
Okay, stage separation now.
I thought you actually did as well. I actually got scared.
And now it's the final ascent. So people are asking why the top is starting.
That's one expensive ass problem. Shit, their avatars are starting to glitch.
My God, Joey.
Oh,
Look at the
sorry,
inside of
sorry.
the rocket, bro. They are glitching. They
Yeah,
look like AI
as in.
image. Bro.
Zurich, that made me laugh. Stage 1, the crash out stage.
Reset.
200.
Trust me.
Okay.
Good idea.
How we'd fooled the TCU.
Respawn.
Next stage is at 225. That will be the last one. So get ready. Close to be full in space.
Shit, the rocket's starting to shake now.
Yo. Oh no.
Yo.
No. W.
Oh, where's glass?
Dit koekt.
Oh. And yeah, they're going to die. It's glass, bro.
Ja, dus hij stopt.
Now you cannot try to open the window.